Paradise Commons is a beautiful event facility on the shores of Lake Waconia.
This building is pretty incredible to really bring people together. We've hosted different events here, whether it's luncheons for the Chamber of Commerce or community events where we're bringing live music in and activities for kids. There's just a lot to do.
You're in the middle of a park, you're on the shores of Lake Waconia, and there's an event space that would allow you to experience both the park setting for your event, but be indoors if there's inclement weather. I do think that's a great opportunity for people to try to take advantage of.
The sunroom at Paradise Commons is ideal for hosting your next event. It seats up to 80 people, features stunning views of Lake Waconia, and is open for year-round reservations.
So not only is it a beautiful space with the lake, the rolling green hills in the background, a lot of wildlife, wildflowers. It's also a beautiful, new, clean space. So you walk in, you can tell it was really thoughtful to make sure that when you walked in, you brought the outside in with you.
Welcome to Carver County Parks. Your adventure starts here.